1924, he joined ISKCON. In 1994, at June, came to Mumbai. In 1995, Prabhuji came to Mayapur, and in 1998, Prabhuji did his Bhakti Shastri course, and he secured 97% marks. For this, he was awarded with high honor degree, which is a special degree given by Mayapur Institute of Education. Same way, Prabhuji has been teaching Bhakti Shastri courses, and till now, more than 250 students have passed out under his leadership. In 2001, Prabhuji came to Calcutta and served as General Manager of ISKCON Calcutta Temple. In 2003, Prabhuji started Bhakti Vriksha, and in last 9 years, more than 108 companies have been opened under his directorship, for which he was awarded with Global Excellency Award by His Holiness Jai Bhatata Guru Maharaj in 2005. Besides him, Prabhuji has been doing seminars on state management, art of mind control. He did seminars on various institutes, educational institutes and business institutes like Institute of Chartered Accountants, Lions Club of Howrah, Bhavesh Atomic Energy Calcutta, MC Kejriwal School, and so many. At present, Prabhuji is the Director of Bhakti Vriksha Calcutta and Head of the Education Services of Calcutta. Prabhuji also completed his Bhakti Valor course in 2010, and I would like to highlight, despite his very ill health, he did his Bhakti Valor course. He used to come from Calcutta. He used to do so many classes from Monday to Friday, and coming to this Mayapur for doing his Bhakti Valor course. Besides this, Prabhuji is also doing Bhakti, Bhagavatam class, and so many other courses in Calcutta. Thank you. Hare Krishna. So welcome all of you to Mayapur for Bhakti Vriksha Convention, Leaders Convention, first time. Everybody please chant once. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you very much. We are going to cover these different points. Just administrative structure of Bhakti Vriksha office by maintaining some orientation class. I briefly explain this, then we will go to presentation. साधना चार्ट कितने जोड़े जिनको एकदम हिंदी में चाहिए इंग्लिश में समझ में आएगा हमारे डिवोटीज सुना अच्छा ठीक है माधव को भी नहीं है ना आए नहीं माधव को आने से कर देंगे ट्रांसलेशन आपका शुरू कर देंगे Sir, we will orientation class, sadhana chart, meetings, reports. These are various points we will just talk about. Bhakti Vriksha opening Mahamila certificate issue, retreat camp, annual convention, integrity, institutional outreach programs. These items we are going to discuss. माइक का जरूरत नहीं है। आप इस तरफ फेस करके वहाँ बैठेंगे ना तो आपको इजी हो गया ट्रांसलेशन करना। इस तरफ अभी बहुत तरह ओके यस ओके सॉरी ओके लेट
administrative structure in Kolkata, we have divided Kolkata in different zones. So we have you can see this is one Kolkata, birthplace of Srila Prabhupada, as you mentioned. And there are different areas, Salt Lake, Dandam, Howrah, Bayana, Jadavpur, Metropa. These are different areas of Kolkata. So we have area by different circles. We have total 12 circles around Kolkata. So each circle there is one circle servant. And above the circle servant there is a supervising preacher. Supervising preacher is temple devotees, and circle servant is always congregation devotee. So we have 3 supervising preachers. They are temple devotees. One of them, like we have come with me, Padma Sadhu. You are supposed to sit here in front. Welcome. He is one of the supervising preachers. So he looks after this Dum and this Dadapur, 2 areas, broad areas. Similarly, we have 2 more temple devotees. One is on the way, one haven't come. So 3 supervising preachers, each of them have 2-3 circles, and then there is each area there is one circle servant. Like we have Mohan Govind Prabhu, he is one of the circle servant in Metropa. Also working in Vodafone, Vice President of Vodafone East India. And he has another circle servant, Ajay Mahadas, chartered accountant and industrialist. He is from Salt Lake. And he has Suvikara Ravindra Prabhu, he is Howrah Hindi band. We have Uday Maneswar Prabhu, Howrah Bengali band. We have Rasila Gopal, so Mintupal, Mintupal. So like this, in each area there is circle servant.
तो ये फैसिलिटीज बारे में आपको बता रहे हैं प्रशासनिक ढांचा है हमारे मध्य प्रदेश का, कोलकाता का.
Temple administrative structure. Office manual, we have one office in the temple. All the reports are kept. Each Bhakti detailed reports are kept in office. And 7 level orientation class. That as you saw there are 12 circles. So each circle we have weekly class, which personally I go and train the 7 leaders. So like Salt Lake we have 14 Bhakti lectures. So 14 7 leaders, they come every Tuesday. And then this class is meant for 7 leaders only. So we keep their sadhana track and give them little higher philosophical understanding. So like this here throughout the week, 7 leader orientation class. Sadhana chart. We have sadhana chart for each level. For 7 leader there is high standard of sadhana chart. For general devotee, little simpler sadhana chart. So I have bought one sample for everybody. We will distribute after them.
Sadhana chart है servant leader के लिए servant.
This sadhana chart is so simple to fill up, but very good. Those who are filling up sadhana chart, they really just feedback that after sadhana chart their sadhana is improved alone. They can themselves analyze, assess themselves how they are doing after week, after the month. So every 7 leader orientation class, they have to bring sadhana chart first. And there are meetings. For each circle, we have separate meeting, core committee. For each circle, we have core committee, and in this core committee, supervising preacher goes and conducts the meetings once in a month, once in a fortnight. That is called meetings. And also we have a central meeting for all the circle servants. That is in temple. Sundays we conduct meetings. Reports. The different levels of reports. Weekly meeting report, that is there in Bhakti manual. by Constable Group that we use. Sector reports, circle reports, or different types of reports are there. We have published one book which have all the reports are there in one book. We also will give that copy of reports to you. Certificate is Mahamilan. So Mahamilan is get together. So every circle we have separate get together. Mahamilan is bi-monthly. Once in 2 months. We have local Mahamilan where all Bhakti devotee comes. In this area we hire one hall, and in that hall we have first we do Nagar Sankirtan. After that there is a lecture, kirtan and cultural program. Bhakti children they perform drama, Bhakti devotee drama, cultural program. This Mahamilan is very inspiring to the devotees. In this Mahamilan we can get sannyasis to give lecture, or senior devotees from temple give lecture. Retreat camp. We have leaders retreat camp. Twice in a year we do leaders retreat camp. All the Bhakti leaders goes to one place. It's 1 day program, generally holiday. I am speaking a little fast and you can slow down. So we have holiday 15th August or 1st May. We choose such dates and in advance we plan. 1 year before we plan for leaders retreat camp. So we have like 108 groups. So we get around 150 to 200 people coming for leader retreat camp. And in this camp we have a very good kirtan, lecture, drama and seminars. Really nice engine experience. So integrity. Also this is part of training that you have to make sure that leaders are the proper in behavior with opposite sex, women, or money, etc. Initiation system, we have in Kannada initiation system is like that. Whoever want to take initiation for particular guru, so they have to fill up a form that is called Guru Ashraya form, and once they fill up the form, one manual, one book that is called pre-practice before Harinam initiation. They have to follow that 6-month guidelines. After 6 months, they can get initiation. Whenever one person is ready for taking shelter, they officially fill up the form. After 6 months, they can take initiation. So that is we have in temple initiation board, the temple management and other devotees are involved. They thoroughly interview, test, and like that. Outreach programs. If you have any question, I will keep 10 minutes before I end lecture. You can note questions and at the end you can ask me questions. Outreach program. The different types of program we can do for bringing people in. 6-session course that is based on science of self-realization or discovery of self by Radhashyam Prabhu. We have 1-day program that is Jivan Jigyasa or Art of Mind Control, or Essence of Bhagavad Gita 6-lesson course. These are different ways we can bring new people in Bhakti Village. Okay.
ये भक्ति वृक्ष का नहीं, ये कार्यक्रम है लोगों को आमंत्रित करने के लिए भक्ति वृक्ष बुलाने के लिए। 4 प्रोग्राम है। जीवन जिज्ञासा 1 दिन का है, 6 दिन का कोर्स है जो बता रहे थे प्रभु जी। उसके बाद एसेंस ऑफ भगवद गीता कोर्स है। ये भक्ति वृक्ष के नहीं कोर्स है, कोर्स ऐसा है कि हम लोगों को इनवाइट करना चाहते हैं उनसे बुलाने के लिए। Okay, this
Maharam Vinapur is also one of the supervising preacher. He will translate now simultaneously. This presentation I made 2 years back to for His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Perumal. He wanted to know about it. So okay. This is growth of birthplace. It started in 2003 and is now 2012. We have 108 Bhakti Vishnu groups. These are the different areas: Jadavpur, Baldev group, Varan group, Jagannath, Nityananda, Dayala groups, Sotling, Damdam, Ravana, and Sala. This is all Kolkata में, and you can see that in this trees are two groups of Bhakti. These are different circles. There are around 12 circles. We have all people from all walks of life: intellectual class, administrative class, business. Like we have one IG officer, High Court judge. They are also attending Bhakti. And we have many chartered accountants, business industry corporates. We have from Reliance, from BSNL, from Vodafone. All type of people are there in Bhakti. In a session up to 2012, through Bhakti, 200 devotees got initiated. Divine now, which is called Shraddha Kutir. Shraddha Kutir is one family is devoted and development of Krishna consciousness. So I will not go more about this. Bhakti Kutir. This Bhakti Kutir, and again it will be easy to understand from here. Like we have Behana, here we have around 20 Bhakti Vriksha groups. So the person who is circle servant, his house very big house. So he has made whole building, one building for Bhakti Vriksha only. So that is called Bhakti Kutir. So every Sunday, all the devotees they come this Bhakti Kutir, and they have picnic programs, they have Mangalarati, Bhagavatam class, like that. So this is like small preaching center. So that is our Prabhupada wanted Guru Maharaj, whenever Guru Maharaj comes to Calcutta. Why? You speak loudly. I'll speak slowly. Well. You can sit in Mata, you can sit this side, so Prabhu can sit in better. आप पैदल नहीं मारो, प्रभु को उधर बैठने दीजिए पास में. प्रभु आप उधर बैठिए. So whenever Guru Maharaj comes to Calcutta, first thing he says, that Prabhupada wanted 10 temples in Kolkata. And right now there is not one good temple. There is temple but doesn't look like temple. It's a building. So Bhakti Vriksha can fulfill, it seems, this desire of Prabhupada. Through Bhakti Kutir is like preaching center. So we are planning that every circle there can be one Bhakti Kutir. Then Prabhupada is going to place. For kids, Bhakti Vriksha kids, we have wherever there is Bhakti Vriksha class, we stress there should be a children program. Because if you want to get young couples, they have children in their house, they cannot come leaving their children at home. So we should provide facility for children. So we have in practically every Bhakti Vriksha there is one children class. Bhakti Vriksha goes on here, parents sit there, and another room, all children goes and they sit there. And we have basically who conducts children class? Basically Matajis who are like college going Matajis. They are very fit for children class. In our Calcutta, all the college going girls, they conduct children class. So they feel comfortable with children, and Bhakti Vriksha goes on with families. For children class, they have made one material, course material. That book name is Vrinda Garden. We have one copy. If you want, we can give you. At end, we can give whoever wants to. Vrinda Garden book is there for course material. This is compared from all different books existing. From there we have composed this book. And activities for children class. Wherever there is Mahamilan, these children they perform drama or they sing bhajan. And we have once in a 6 month all children's Mahamilan. Next Monday we have children's Mahamilan. And Rath Yatra, all the children they in procession. All children they are decorated in different forms of gold. And Janmashtami also whole day there is children's program. Dress as you like, different activities. So all children of Bhakti they are always somehow engaged in Krishna consciousness. So we have Bhakti Governing Council, BGC, not JVC, it's a BGC. All the circle servants are members of this BGC. We have fortnightly meeting in temple. And in this meeting we plan all our activities throughout the year. Where there should be Mahamilan, or where we should go for tour, camp, retreat camp, everything. Presently, Adarshit Madhav is a chairman of our BGC. And previous year, Mohan Raghu was the BGC chairman. And Surit Goradas is the secretary for BGC. Okay, very good. So we just get. See, we have year plan. Whole year's activity decided in advance, and we make year planner and give to all Bhakti devotees. If you want more copies, tomorrow you can get whole year's planner. This planner designed by Sri Govind Prabhu. All our printing activity is here. Okay. So there are 22 BGC members. And this BGC member take responsibility like festival committee, tour committee, guest counselor, marriage bureau, Diksha committee. These activities are conducted by BGC members. Previously, our Bhakti course, we used to hand out papers and make Xerox copy. But in India it is difficult. People are not familiar with making copies every week. So we made it in book form. All the course material are made in 5 levels, different books. 5 books available. And each book there is two books for each, like students and teachers. 2 handbooks for each level. And recently also in our Kolkata, some devotees like to follow Rajesh Prabhu's course model. That is also very nice. He has the essence of Bhagavad Gita, some positive thinker. So right now I am going to compare the same Bhakti including Rajesh Prabhu's, and together nice something can come up. So everybody can follow in our community. Also, Bhakti devotees they give lot of service in temple. That last Rath Yatra, Bhakti devotee collected donation 50 lakhs rupees for Rath Yatra. As you know, Kolkata Rath Yatra is one of the biggest Rath Yatra of ISKCON. And His Holiness Jayaprakash Swami Maharaj, last 40 years, not a single Rath Yatra he has missed in Kolkata. Even he was attacked by his brain. That year also he came in that handicap situation. He came to Kolkata and attended Pondharas. Such a large person. So that's why Rath Yatra we actually spent about more than 1 crore rupees collection is done. So out of that 15 lakhs only is collected from Bhakti devotees. Janmashtami also collected 2.5 lakhs. Other activities of Bhakti, we have dramas in Mayapur. Nasing Chaturdashi every year devotee comes and we perform drama. Mahamilan, in local Mahamilan there is also drama Nagar Kirtan short video. This is a Nagar Kirtan. Every Mahavalin there is Nagar Kirtan. God is entities. Okay, low. This is the program. Once Ismail Jayapathan Sai Maharaj after God Purnima came with 150 safari devotees to Calcutta. So we had big program Pandal program where 20,000 people attended. Biggest program. During that period there was Nagar Kirtan. Whole Behana was like singing. Thousands of devotees Nagar Kirtan lecture. So you can see there's one nice video of that. Listen. Okay, we have conducted tour every year Puja holiday, that is during Kartik, after Kartik we have tours. All Orthodox devotees goes for tours. Every year we go, like sometime Dwarka, Vrindavan, South India, Badri, Kedar. So actually Bengal there is culture of touring. Bengali people like so much to go for tour. If we do not provide this facility, they will go anywhere with outside people. So we conduct tour from our Orthodox only. Which is this place? Can you recognize? Huh? How many of you can recognize this place? Present. Only few. This is Vrindavan, Sakarikar. Also this is Barsa, Vrindavan. Nandagaon. So South India. This is Dhanushkoti. So this whole thing is required to complete. We have central Mahavalin. Is Loknath Sai Maharaj. Many Maharaj, because Calcutta is gateway to Mayapur, we get so many sannyasis association. All these Maharaj they have attended our Bhakti Mahamilan. You can see names of all Maharaj. 7 Brahma. Here we have one nice video there. I would like to show you this video. Big person. Few minutes. This is the biggest Pandal program which I told you. 20,000 devotees attended. Guru Maharaj went with safari devotees, and there was very nice reception. Bharata Krishnamurti, who was our vice president before, from South. So this is culture of Bengal. People are very receptive to sannyasis and gurus. Safari devotees are doing kirtan. Local mayor is addressing the crowd and receiving Varmana. Servant leaders orientation plan, which is conducted every circle. This is for sound leaders and percentage sound leaders. So those who are conducting class, they need also to learn and intake something. So it's very important they come for training class. Focus is given on sadhana, etiquette and philosophy. 3 sadhana, sadachar and siddhanta. Yes. The retreat camp, like this year we went to Remona just 2 days back for retreat camp at Kidsura Bhaktina. 250 devotees went, and first we went to Adi Satyagraha. Also every year we have annual convention of Kolkata Bhakti that is conducted in Mayapur. Around 1,000 devotees, more than 1,000 devotees come. Throughout the year, all the achievements of different devotees, we give them prize on this annual convention. They are very good prizes. If you see, you get attracted. Very nice prizes. In this we get all Prabhupada disciples and sannyasis for lecture. We visit Gopal Dev Parikrama, etc. And there is nice village with Mataji, Prabhupada and Mataji speaking. Good relation, loving relationship between devotees. These are the speakers of annual camp. Jayadvaita Swami, Bhakti Swami, Janivas Prabhu. What is it? We go by the Bhakti devotee participates in temple activities, Rathayatra, procession, preaching, water distribution, culture program, Pushpanjali. This is preaching program. This preaching stop, cultural program. Rathayatra procession, 108 Mataji holding this plate. And 50 Mataji holding concept. Like that, around 500 devotees are on procession from Bhakti. Kirtan. Children, they are dressed in different forms of cloth. And Guru Maharaj comes every year, does Kirtan. In temple, all the garden making seva is conducted by Bhakti devotee. This service is divided circle wise. We have 7 days, 7 circles are given. So each day 1 circle comes and they make garland and offer to God. Similarly, DT Bhoga, 7 days, 7 groups comes, they cook for deities, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So thus all Bhakti devotees very strongly connected with temple. We have different seminars conducted. Grace seminar once conducted by his Grace Vijay Venugopal Prabhu, by Grace Prempadani Mataji. We had teacher training course conducted by Atul Krishna Prabhu. We had Bhakti training course conducted by Kwante Prabhu and Mataji. I don't know her name. Sri Radhe. So she also can. We have Bhakti Shastri course going on since 2006. Many batches is passed out. All servant leaders generally we try to do the Bhakti Shastri for Bhakti devotees. Guru Maharaj also suggested this to me. There is 6-week course. Anybody wants? I have the slides for search of self-realization. 6-week course. Bhagavad Gita 6-week course. Jivan Jinasa. Yeah, I wanted to inform you about this. Throughout the year, we get best outcome from Rath Yatra preaching. Rath Yatra, we have biggest ground of Kolkata, hired for 7 days. About 1 lakh people attend our ground, and in that big ground we get like this big hall only for Bhakti preaching. This big hall. In Bhakti store, around 20,000 people entered, and we have all 8 tables in this store. All circle servants have different tables in this seat. And when people enter, we have quiz contest. So very simple quiz, 10 questions. They can fill up in 2 minutes. So after quiz, they enter the hall, and when they are guided to particular table of Bhakti, like Bihara people to go to Bihara Scotland, and when they come to table for the taking prize of that quiz, we give them small chikki prasadam that we give them, and while giving prasadam we talk to them and make them, as I said, in our community we spend 1 crore rupees for Rath Yatra, but there is no Bhakti store. You know, after Rath Yatra everything will be over, no result. All just money, time, energy will be waste. So because of Bhakti store, we get so many people come and join our temple ISKCON. So Bhakti is very important. And besides this, sometimes we can do also Jivan Jiga seminar in particular area. Like Salt Lake, there is so many colonies. So our devotee goes door to door, register them for Jivan Jiga. After 1 month, we conduct that Jivan Jiga seminar, and from there we start new Bhakti Leagues. So for opening new Bhakti Leagues, this is the nice way. Going door to door, register for that slides of presentation, Jivan Jiga, whatever, art of mind control, and then you register for Sridhava. It is a nice way to open new Bhakti Leagues. And after these 15 Bhakti Leagues are opened, after 2 months we will conduct Sridhavan camp, that is in Mayapur. So Radha's time, all these devotees who are registered for Rath Yatra, they will come to Mayapur. In that they will get more charge in 2 days Mayapur camp. So, and also this year we conducted Gita contest. Means they have to register for Gita contest. In that 500 people registered Gita contest, and when they come for giving, that is we copied from our Tirupati. Last year they did Gita contest, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, all Andhra Pradesh. They are like taking to Gita contest. So we copied that idea, and after Gita contest we make them register for Bhakti League Sridhavan. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Also, book distribution. Bhakti Leagues is last 5 years. Bhakti Leagues is taught in book distribution in our temple. There are many departments like Bhakti Leagues, IVAS, many. But Bhakti Leagues always last year we distributed. How many given? Father?
How many Gita we distributed last year?
12,000 Bhakti Leagues distributed. So, I want to give you one handout, that is sadhana chart, and one Bhakti League souvenir. The souvenir compass all throughout the year before. So I request each yatra, one leader can come here, will give you one sadhana chart and this books. Quickly then can just finish it. Can give quickly. Virtual Ekadasi, all Bhakti Leagues devotee comes to one place from morning 4 to evening 8 p.m. non-stop chanting Hare Krishna, singing, and like that was a lecture. And it's called Harinam Divas. For each yatra one book and one sadhana chart and one 3 items you have to collect, 3 things.